Hello everyone, welcome to our Soul Tarot prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. This reading is for the zodiac sign Taurus for the month of October 2021. Let's see what's coming up for them in their career and relationship for the month of October. Career Taurus. Career relationship 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 okay. Taurus, in your career life, you are being very impatient related to money related stuff. You are working hard day and night towards building up your goals, especially in the first 10 days of October. You are being very impatient related to your money, your pentacles, your situation. Okay. Also, I just feel that in your career life, you're releasing a lot of stress, tension, burdens, or you want to release it. Okay. You are gaining a lot of clarity about how to move forward in your career life, in your financial life. Okay. You are really working hard day and night in maintaining the balance of money related stuff, financial stuff. Okay. You are spending it very wisely. Okay, in the month of October. Also in the month of October, I just feel in the part of relationship, you need to make a lot of effort. Okay, if you want a relationship. Okay, few of the Taurus are being very impatient because equal give and take is needed in your relationship. A lot of hard work is needed to maintain that relationship. Okay, that's why some of you are being very impatient. There's a third party interference is there in your relationship, and that's why you're waiting for the right time to release it, or you're waiting for the right time, divine timing. Okay, for the releasing of this third party situation, third party interference into your relationship. Okay, you are a person where you will be doing very charitable things, donations, charitable things, or doing something kind, an act of kindness you will be doing in the month of October for the people who are in need. You will be helping others, or you will be very helpful in the month of October related to few people, few colleagues, or few of the charitable things you might do. Okay, you are gaining a lot of clarity that how to maintain a balance between professional life and personal life, which is very good. Okay, because that balance is really needed, to be honest. Let's see what's your life purpose, Taurus. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, one more thing, guys. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. Okay. Some of your love life has been affected by children, or you are taking a lot of time spending time with children. Okay, you are being protected by guardian angels. You are being divinely guided. Okay, so whatever step you are taking, God is protecting you in some way or the other. For the others of you, you need to go for yoga sessions, or you need to spend time in exercising for a healthy body and healthy life, healthy mind. Okay, yes, you are being very emotional and sensitive towards certain things in life. Okay, being very sensitive in the month of October. Also, there has to be a decision which has need to be made. Okay, by you from your heart. Let's see what's your love life includes. Okay, so yeah. Let's see what's your love life includes. Well, you need to release your ex. Okay, the time has come to clear your energy, to release your ex and move on. Okay, For others of you, you are in separation, you might be dealing with your twin flame connection or a soulmate connection. So if it's like that, then if you are dealing with a twin flame or a soulmate connection, reconciliation is possible. But if you are dealing with a karmic connection, things are coming to an end. Okay, you might be working towards healing the family issues you are going through. You have love life benefits and you forgive your parents. Okay, you are being very flirty in the month of October. So a few of the people who are single in Taurus, you might feel flirty, or you might be flirting with random people. Okay, a few of the people you like, and you need to make a lot of effort if you want a relationship to work. Okay, it's not like it's a one way thing. Okay, but it's a double way thing. You need to make a lot of effort for the same. Okay, I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers, guys. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye, take care.